Hey guys, it's Kerrad0ll here. I'm back with another video. Yes, I did say I'm back with another video. If you guys could tell by the title, today I'm going to be showing you guys how I lay my wigs and melt my lace, basically how to get this look. So before we get into it, I need you guys to smash that like button, smash the subscribe button, turn the post notification bell on so you don't miss a video and don't miss a beat. So don't miss a video and don't miss a beat. So don't miss a video and don't miss a beat. Stay tuned. All right, that's my flat foundation. Sorry, baby hairs, but you gotta go. Got my water. This part is optional. I'm gonna just spray a little, pump it up, because I just don't like my hair to move. Like, I really don't. Bam. Handy dandy wig cap. You can use whatever color you want. I'm gonna use this nude color. First thing I'm gonna put on the cap is some Got To Be Free spray. I'm gonna be looking in my mirror right here. Sometimes I do the back. The back just make it make the cap last longer. So that's my first layer of that. About to let that dry. Alright, time for the second coat of Got To Be Free spray. And y'all, it don't have to be perfect. It don't have to be perfect, because you gonna cut a lot of this cap off. So same process, gonna let this sit, and then after this I might do one more spray. I don't know, depends on how it's looking, but I'll be back.
I wanna be your lover, tied up and twisted around. I wanna be your lover, till I'm underground. I wanna be your man, but you don't feel the same.
My heart dropped. I got scared as fuck. Now you guys, I gotta cut out some ear holes. Chanel.
Throw that. Let me see you do a split. Ear holes.
But to start cutting off this cap, I'm gonna start with the middle.
I feel it in your hands. Now I'm filled with shame. I woke up.
A little spray right here, because this part always be trying to come up. So maybe that'll work. And this part, you want to get as closest to your skin as possible, because you really need to be laid. It's okay, pull it up a little bit if you need to pull it up. Just putting it right here.
Up in a foreign land, in a castle made of sand. No one wants me. No one wants me. I woke up with a broken hand in a castle made of sand. No one wants me. No one wants me.
This is probably the best I've ever laid a cap before. Alright, you guys, now I got this laid. I'm gonna just go ahead and cut this little part. And the back is pretty much laid down. All right, y'all, that's how my wig cap looks. So now we're about to go ahead and we about to tint this cap. I'm gonna use this Anastasia Beverly Hills contour kit. I'm gonna use this shade. What shade is it? Cinnamon. So I'm gonna use cinnamon because that's closest to my skin tone. We're about to take our beauty right here. Say hey, Tina. Say hey, Tina. All right, got Tina. Literally just gave her that name. Already went ahead and plucked this and whatnot. I'm gonna just open the inside. Put some makeup on this lace. I'm gonna use the same thing I just used for this cap. Classy, bougie, ratchet. Yeah, that's showing up better, you guys. Trying to do it so that y'all can see. Try not to get it in the hair so much. But this is basically what you do when you don't have like a lace tint or the knots are not bleached. We're gonna take our Got2b glue. You can use this a popsicle stick. I'm gonna just put some dots right at the edge of my cap. As long as you take this off good, you should be fine. Like really, when you take this off, just take your time. When you rush, that's how you take out hair. That's how you burn your skin and all that. So this is my first layer. I'm gonna let this sit for a little bit. Okay, y'all. Now I'm gonna go ahead and spray some of this Got2b sprayed on it. Be careful with this, because this will go down your face. All right. It's sticky, believe it or not. Now I'm gonna take my wig. This is my wig from Isee hair. Trying to make sure I got it. Putting it on right. Oh crap, the part is on this side. Okay, cool. Make sure you got your back. All right. Me, I'ma lay my middle first. Well, I'm just gonna put it where I want it before I press down. Salts my tongue. I'll crawl back for more. Don't worry, we're gonna get this cleaned up. Just pull some hair out and press. Pull some hair out. You can fix the cap, just be careful. Pull the hair out, press. Alright. I know you can see my cap, but don't even worry. We are going to fix. I'm just doing it like this. Put a little water. Be careful with the water because you use water to remove your wigs too. So, because I'm not liking it. I think everything's down. This is the part. Okay. Let me go ahead and take this front hair out.
I'm falling from
About to make some baby hairs. Any part of the cap that's lifting, you can fix it with freeze spray. Don't even stress. Because I can't keep doing this hair. Alright, you can take the scarf off when you feel like it's probably good and it's not gonna go anywhere. Alright, that's how she's looking. Just on this side, the hairs are looking kind of clumpy. Just put this behind the ear. Alright. Crap. I'm dropping everything. None of these brushes I want to use. I just have to use this brush. Anyways, I'm using a fluffy brush. I'm gonna put some makeup right there.
I wanna be your lover, tied up and twisted around. I wanna be your lover, till I'm underground. I wanna be your man, but you don't feel the same. I feel it in your hands, now I'm filled with shame. I woke up in a foreign land, in a castle made of sand. No one wants me, no one wants me. I woke up with a broken hand, in a castle made of sand. No one wants me.
No mousse, so I'm gonna take this Gorilla Snot, put it on the baby hairs.
No one wants me.
Put some Got to Be on top. Got to be. Comb these things out. Clean this up a bit.
bites my tongue. I'll crawl back for more. I'm falling from the sky, but you don't. Even care. I see it in your eyes. Tied up and twisted around. I wanna be your lover till I'm underground.